Alright, so today I'm going to be showing what I do with the holding bin. I have 13 items that are in the holding area. I already did this by accident because I forgot to add those. But they were, I already did this right here. Shipping somewhere else, but I'll see if I can get more. Or let me ship the ones that are here. So I'm going to click on the holding bin, click here. This highlights all of them, and then click to add to batch. And there you go. Okay, that's it right here. I added all of them. Go back in here. And it should redo it. Yeah, see, it should redo all of them and see if I'll send them to the same warehouse. Hopefully, I don't have to keep them there again because nobody likes that. Okay, it looks like it's 3 splits now. This one, I'm definitely not gonna send this one. Maybe these two I might not send. I might keep those again until the next time I send more. Let me see what those are. Oh, those are the same ones again. The ones that I had before. So when you have this, now this I'm definitely gonna send those. I'm not gonna send those. I'm gonna put those back into the holding area, and hopefully next time I'll ship them somewhere else. This I will send them because I mean it should be 2 boxes, so it shouldn't be too bad. Now you can click here if you don't like this, but uh, I the chances are it might separate them into even more places. It's kind of like a little bit of a gambling right here. So what I do with this is I'm gonna select the one that has the most ones. Create the shipment, blah blah blah. I'm gonna have to delete this. Okay, click here, finish. It's basically gonna say, you have to check the feed to make sure it actually works. And for these ones, I'm just gonna put it back into the holding bin. I'm just gonna do this after though to make sure I have everything. That way I can look back over here and check them again. Or you could try this. Click on here and see if it'll ship them somewhere else. Who knows? Maybe you get lucky and it ships them all to the same warehouse. Yeah, see, this was afraid of. Now it shipped them one to somewhere else, to the one I had before. That's what you kind of do. What kind of happens if you mess around with it? But basically all these, if you don't want to send any of these, just simply, yeah, right here, click here, and then click on holding bin. So if you click here, they're all erased, or not erased, but Then if you click back here, they're right here. Now it's 20 of them. It should be all the ones that didn't send. Now, if you have a whole pile like in the corner of which one, because of course I'm assuming you scanned them all, so you're not gonna know which ones. See the so this is good. It's completed. It's good. So I'm assuming okay, this is the right one. So I have 58. We're gonna go in here, right? When you're scanning them in with the box, uh, so the box here, you're gonna scan them in, and if that book does not belong in this box with this it's not gonna go to this warehouse basically. It will give you an error. It should give you an error telling you it doesn't belong there. So that's kind of good. You can put that aside, and those are gonna be the ones in that you have in your holding bin. And just to if you really want to check to make sure that you could always go here and just put scan it here, and then you can grab them all to make sure that they all belong here. That's what I do, and then hopefully one day, usually in the weekdays, they should almost all go into the same spot. If you always try in the weekends, I think from other people they have said that it splits into more splits. I mean, it kind of sucks that I have 20 books literally sitting here that they're not gonna make me money. But I mean, if you want to ship, I could have shipped one of these out, like one box, because I mean it was 16 of them, so it was not bad, right? But I'm just gonna hold on to them because I always get more books in a week, so I'll just do it again. I mean, that's basically how you have to play it, you know. You always want to ship the one that has a more, or like I think 20 books should be fine. Honestly, I would have shipped the 16 of them, but just to give you guys an example of how I, just how this works, how this works. I can actually add them again and see if maybe I'll ship them to a different warehouse if we're lucky. I don't know. To be honest, I don't know if Amazon likes this or if this is even something that could be wrong. See, it's just constantly gonna ship it to the same ones. Some people have said that no matter what they tried, some of these just do not want to go somewhere else. It could be because they're oversized, they're too heavy. I know that they have different warehouse for different specific reasons. Like some warehouses they have for oversized items and stuff like that. So it could be that reason. So I could honestly ship this one because it's not too bad of a price. I don't know where this is to be honest, but even then it shouldn't be too bad, you know. So I could honestly ship this, but I'm just gonna wait. I'm gonna wait until the next time. Maybe I'll make another video and see if these ones actually ship somewhere else, right? So I'm not gonna ship anything from here. So I'm just gonna grab them, put them right back again to the holding bin. I think you can try this a lot, but I mean, I can even try tomorrow. You know, it might actually work. But for now, I'm just gonna leave it like that. So we'll go back here, and then that's how you'll know for this. You know, that way you're not. It's almost impossible for you to put a book in the box that doesn't belong there, unless you literally do not scan it. If you scan it, everything should be perfect. If you don't, I mean that's kind of what. Yeah, that's pretty cool actually. Do scan once. But yeah, this should be pretty easy when you do two boxes. You can do this only at one box at a time, but I like to put a whole bunch of them together and see what happens. So anyways, yeah, that's it. That was just gonna be a short video what the holding bin does.